What can you say?
Hi. Hey, let's organize to get. Oh, sorry, my hair.
Darling, I love you, 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 I love you.
Gulat ako, te. Lights on. Let there be light. It's not plug-in, alright. So, I need to
There's really a
shave.
difference.
So what we gotta do?
Today, my plan is to organize our storage room. It's been a crazy setup right now. Like, it's tough. Show them the before and after.
Okay.
We'll show you guys the before and after.
Here's the before. Tomorrow is the after.
And then let's organize today. Because today I bought some organization stuff, and I got this. It's a right there. It's a shelving unit. It's 4-tier shelving unit, and it's plastic. And I plan to stick it there. And right in front of this will be our shoe rack. Shoe rack.
Shoe rack.
So that's it.
It's done! It's done! Look! Look!
Huh?
Ano to?
Unsa ba?
Something came off.
Show you the sorry, the dryer is so noisy.
I'm so ashamed, but it's okay. Look.
So this is
It's a mess.
how it looks like our closet. Oh, don't mind those bottles. That's not ours. Too much drinking.
Next step, I'm emptying this out. Just this part though. Just this part. I already started. So look. Mess. 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 While go.
It's going down for real.
So this is my finished product. This is it. So I have this shelving unit that we assembled earlier. We put it in the back, and then this is our shoe rack. So behind this is just some stuffs. Good morning. Hi. So today I am bored and I thought about baking. Yeah. So I'm not gonna show my face because I didn't shower yet and I look like a hot mess. Right now I am baking. Thank you, Alexa. Alexa, stop. Alright, so that was 2 minutes. So I am baking this. And then that one. And then I'm already preheating the oven. My little oven right there. Oh, by the way, I cooked this morning also. I made fried rice with spam, hot dog, and bacon. Sorry, I had the fan running because, you know, I don't like the house to stink. So right now, I am still trying to mix all the ingredients together. I used the cake mix, and instead of water, the instruction says I have to use 1 1/4 cup of water. I used milk, evaporated milk, and then 3 eggs and half a cup of vegetable oil. So I think this is good. I'm tired already. So that's my kitchen. At least it's not as dirty. I already cleaned it up. I always clean as I go. I'll show you guys later how it looks like. So this is it. I am going to put it now in the oven. I think I put way too much, but whatevs. 350, big, 30 minutes. Hoping for the best. Oh my god, it's overflowing. Look, can you guys see it? It might not be perfect, but whatevs. It is what it is, right? Okay, guys. It's a fail. I knew it. It overflowed. Boink. It's all good. I'll still eat it. It's almost time. It's almost 30 minutes. Boom! See that? Ah! I put way too much. What a fail. Looking at, you need to clean this up. Who can say where the road goes, where the day flows, only time. And who... See, it just keep going, keep going. Alright. I'll be back later, guys. Let me take care of this mess. Hi, guys! Sorry about that very emotional vlog. Thank you for understanding my situation. No, I have to do it this way. So right now I already gathered my thoughts. I'm good. It's all good. Not like I'm gonna lose my job. There's going to be new positions opening up. Already got an interview scheduled tomorrow. Things will be fine. Things happen for a reason. And if I'm not gonna get the position, I'm all good. I will still have a job for the next 12 years. 12 years, sorry, 12 months. I get to keep my pay. And after 12 months, if I can find any other job within the company, then they will term me. I'm pretty sure by that time, before the 12 months, things will get settled. Thank you for listening to me. Thank you for all your understanding. And I'm good. I'm stuffing myself with chocolate, because that's how I de-stress. I'm gonna end the vlog here. See you then. Bye. Thank you.